We've recently put in a vegan menu, and one of the dishes I really love was what we just cooked now, is the vegan ramen. So first of all, we just put a little bit of oil, vegetable oil in the pan, which we heated up. And then we added our diced red onions. And then we add a paste of blended garlic and ginger, which we put into that. Once we sweated that off, we added some sliced mushrooms. We just gently turned them over. We didn't want to soften them too much. We want a little bit of crunch in with this dish. We then added the vegetable stock and brought that up to a simmer. Once that's simmering, we put a teaspoon of the sriracha paste and just stirred that in. And then we try to balance with that with a bit of savoury and acidity and some sweet, but we put in a little teaspoon of honey and some lemon juice. We left that simmering, and in the meantime then we sort of built up our bowl. And you can arrange this how you like. We had some blanched rice noodles that went in the bottom, and then we added some broccoli, some bean sprouts, some beans and the carrot, and then we finished off with some tofu on the top. Once the stock is boiling and simmering and the mushrooms are at the right texture, we then put that over the top of the vegetables. This will heat your vegetables through enough because we've actually blanched them first before let's cook them. And then we finish off the garnish with the chili, some coriander, some mint and some lime. This is our vegan ramen. It's a vegan dish on our menu. Come and try.